Hello, hello, good morning everyone. Solution of question number 35. The question number 35 is related to once again same mean median mode. If you refer this line, question number 35 is calculate the arithmetic mean, median and mode. The question is this one up to here, right? So this was the question. What is the special in this question? The class interval 0 to 9, 9 to 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39. So the upper limit is 9, but lower limit is how much here? 10. So upper limit 9, then lower limit is 10, means the upper limit 9 is not repeated as a lower limit. If it is not repeated, it is called, remember, it is called inclusive class interval. Inclusive class interval. When not repeated case. Not repeated case. Not repeated case is an inclusive class. What is exclusive class? Exclusive class is a class where the upper limit of one class is repeated as a lower limit. In this case repeated, upper limit is here. In this case, in case of inclusive class interval, the upper limit is not repeated into lower limit of the next class. You write the meaning same. What is exclusive class? Upper limit of the one class, say for example like this, 0 to example 0 to 10, next 10 to 20. In this case, see, 10 is here, is repeated next lower upper limit 10, next class lower limit. So this was a repeated case. Lower limit of the one class is repeated next class upper limit. If it is repeated, then it is called exclusive class interval. I hope that the meaning inclusive and exclusive is clear to all of you. And why I discuss with you this inclusive exclusive is when you find the median and mode, you need to convert inclusive class, this class, into, remember, the inclusive class, this one, into exclusive class. Your class is like this. Inclusive class is red color, that is inclusive is, but we need the yellow color, that is called exclusive class interval. For that you need to change this entire classes into inclusives to exclusive, because it is not repeated here to here. 9 is not repeated, 10, 19 is not repeated, 20, 39, 29 is not repeated next class. Then you need to convert, then change the inclusive to exclusive. Which case? Remember, in case of median and mode case. In these two cases, we need the value. Which value? Median value and mode. So median case and mode case, we need the conversion. I will give you another example, means how to get the easily to remember. So wherever the formula, in the formula L is there, L, see here L is there, here also L is there, L means lower limit. In which formula L is there, that case you need to convert the inclusive class into exclusive class. See, in this case there is no L. Mean case, mean formula does not include any L. L means lower limit, but in this case and this case L is there. In these two cases L is there. So wherever the L is there, in that case you need to use the inclusive class to exclusive class. So this was the idea that you need to remember, right? So move to the solution now. Solution is here. So you need to go with your solutions. Solution is here. So I taken entire exactly the same class here to here. So here to here same class are there. Frequency also same, no change. Frequency total is 55. So find the 5 CF. CF means what? 5 in 5, first as it is same, 5 as it is, 5 plus 12, 17, 17 plus 10, 27, 27 plus 11, 20, 38, 38 plus 9, 47, plus 8, 55. So both are same always, these two are always same. Then midpoint, why we need for midpoint for mean purpose. So 0 plus 9, this 0 plus 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. What was the difference here? 10, 10 difference is there. 0, 10, 20 or 9, 19, 29, 39, 10, 10 difference is there. So you need to add 4.5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, then you will get up to 54.5. Now you need to multiply f into m, you will get this one. 12 into 14.5, 174. 10 into 24.5, 245. Like that you multiply 8 to 54.5, you get this one. The total of this FM is this one. Now we will move to the solution now. Solution. So what is your FM? FM is this one. How much FM is there? 1657.5. 1657.5 divided by N is how much here? N is 55. If you see here, 55 is the N. So 55. So answer is 30.1313 or 14 rounded. 13 or 14. You make it as a round figure. Clear? Then move to the median now. As I said that in case of median L, that is we need to convert the inclusive class to exclusive class. I will give you a hint now. No need to convert all classes. All classes don't cover, because while finding the median we are not using at all the numbers. Only the few numbers we are using. Right, median class only we are using. But in case of median we are using all numbers from here to here. All the numbers we are using here to here. So that is a merit for the mean. Mean says that mean merit is like this. It is based on all observations. Which one? Mean merit is it is based on all observations, means all information. The demerit for median is the same point. Median is not observed all the data, right? So we'll go for the solution. Then I will explain. So what is median class? Median class equal to N by 2. What is N here? 55. 55 divided by 2 is what? That was 27.5. Where the 27.5 comes here? See, 5 up to 5, 0 to 5, more than 5 to 17, more than 17 to 27. So this area belongs to 27.5. Not comes here actually. 27 is over here. More than 27 to 38. So this area is your the 27 point comes. So this was the area of your which one? Median. So this was your median area. Now what is your L? 30 here. So no need to convert all the numbers from here to here, inclusive to exclusive. Only you need to convert which class is your median class. That class median, that is the lower limit. Lower limit is 30. So this 30, right? Lower limit is 30 minus 0.5. Always remember, when you need to change the inclusive class to exclusive class, don't convert all classes. Only you need to take the L number only. How much here is L? So as I said that L is 30. L equal to 30 here. So don't take 30 here. You see, I taken already 30. Instead of 30, what you have to take? 30. Whatever the L number comes, that number minus 0.5. Always 0.5 only. Right? So you remember. So instead of converting all the numbers, ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ನು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ lower limit minus 0.5. 0.5 is fixed always. So 0.5 less, then what you will get? So your L is how much here now? Formula 29.5. How? 30 lower limit minus 0.5 plus what is N by 2? N by 2 is already taken here. So 27.5. See, 27.5 minus preceding CF. Preceding CF is how much here? You see here, preceding CF. This preceding is how much? 27. So 27 is written here in the formula. 27 is here. Then divide by simple frequency. Simple frequency is divided by 11. Then what is your I? I means 30 and 39. Difference, remember, 10, not 9. Remember, 30 to 39 is not a, remember, it is not a 9 number, it is 10 number. How? 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 10 comes. Difference is 10. You count it, it comes 10. 30 to 39 you count number, it comes 10. So that's why it is written 10 here. So you simplify, your median answer is 29 point how much? 95. So move to the next one. Next one is your mode. How to find the mode? Highest frequency is your mode area. Highest frequency is how much here? 12. So 5 to 8 you check it. Highest is 12. So 12 is your which area? 12 is the mode area. So this was your mode area. Then this was your mode area, median area and mode area. So what is your the L here now? 10. as I said that L we need to convert. So L is equal to 10. Then how to do this L now? Simple. 10 minus 0.5. Always 0.5 is fixed. 0.5 is always fixed. 0.5. Then the value is 9.5. Clear? 9.5 is the lower limit. Now you check it now. So L is 9.5. Then delta 1 means what? This 12 minus 5. How much? Delta 1. Delta 1 is 12 minus 5 is 7. What is delta 2? 12 minus 10? 2. Now use the same. What is delta 1? 7. What is delta 1 plus delta 2? Delta 1 is 7, delta 2 is 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Then into 10. 10 is exactly same. 10 to 19 means what? This 10 to 19 is 10 to 19 you will get the 10 only. So if you simplify this one, your answer comes 17 point how much? 28. So this was the answer for your inclusive classes to exclusive class, right? So now I will assign you one question, that is question number 35 now. 35 is over. Now you will take the 36. Question number 36. It was same type. Which one? What we discussed now, the same type. We will go for the one question. So I will remove this one. Now what is your class? Example 15 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 not 29, 20 to 24, because 5 difference is there. Then 25 to 29, then 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44. If you see here 10, 15 to 19, 15 to 19, then 20 to 24, then 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 29, 19, 29, 34, 39, 44. So this was your inclusive class. What you need to do? L number minus 0.5 in the solution time. Frequency is 2, 6, 6, 6, then 9, 5, 8, next 4. So this was your question that you need to solve now. This was assigned to you, assigned question. You need to find the mean, median, mode and send the answer to me. Thank you. Right.